Where are you girls right now? Chinguacousy birds?
Yes, and we're seeing
See, they are eating the rice so nicely.
I think this is cooked.
Yeah, this looks cooked, yeah. Goose, right?
Yeah, this
They're
is the
having a good
Canadian
time.
Goose.
Yeah,
This
they're
is the
having a good
Canadian.
time.
And did you know, if the swans lift up their feathers, there will be a different color feather.
Inside?
Yeah.
Let's go. There, come. Sunny, come. Can you come or not? Sunny, want to see that? A llama. Oh, it's okay. There is a sheep and a llama, right? They are grazing on the grass. See how nicely they do? You know that old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. It's a mini moo. It's a mini moo crew. We are doing that. La. Sunny, oh, this is a goat. Oh, goat. How does the goat do? Let's go. Let's go outside. Come. Are you enjoying the zoo visit today? Such a nice, right? Nice day. Cool. Yeah, wait.
I want to see if I can ride the horses.
Okay. Yeah, these are looks like are they donkey?
Yeah, this is a donkey.
Yeah, fun.
Hi.
No, how they do? He oh. They look so silent, right? They're enjoying the sunshine. They look speechless. What to say? They're saying we are. Wait, right now, not right. I'll give you. We have to give the presents first. Okay.
You can shoot it. She said tomorrow morning.
Don't do. No.
Let's do a big one.
See, there are so much ducks. They are doing rest.
Yes. And they have.
Go in front of them.
And they have.
Go in front
other
of them here.
feathers underneath.
Sunny, you can go in front of them. Go. I'll take a picture. Wait. Now look at me, Sunny. Look at me.
Look at the blue and purple feathers underneath.
Yeah, they are colorful from inside, right? No, they thought that you're giving them some food. It's okay, let's go now, otherwise they'll keep coming us. Come. It's okay. Sunny, look at me. Yeah.
What do they eat?
Don't do that.
What do they eat?
They eat all small insects. Whatever they get, grains, fish. Okay, come, son.
Go to the barn.
Yeah, let's go.
The yellow barn.
Over there, come. We walking in the jungle. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. See, we are inside the Air Army and Sea Squad. See here, Air Force. This is Army. This is a Seamen's Navy. So they are Air, Army, and Sea. Let's stand there. Stand, Sunny. Yeah, you can sit. Look at me. You want to be what? Wow. Two beautiful flowers with those.
Yeah.
Huh? We are in, see, that's such a nice red color. Come. Let's see this red color.
Let's see what kind of flower.
Wow. Yeah. You are hiding inside the bushes.
There you are.